Hey guys, I'm your friend Chetan Bhola and you are watching Bhola Moto. In this video, we are going to discuss about the purge control valve, and this is the only reason why sometimes the error code generated of P0441 or P0446. So if these codes have generated in your vehicle also, so please keep watching this video till the end. You are going to learn how you can fix that, and I hope you will be learning about the purge control valve a lot. So if you are new to the channel or didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it right now and share this video to your friends also. So purge control valve, as its name only suggests, it is going to control the amount of something which is purging inside something. So this is what it is, what it is all about. So what happens is, whenever you store your fuel in your fuel tank, because of high temperature, sometimes this fuel is turned into the vapors, and these vapors, if escape directly into the atmosphere, it is going to be quite harmful for the atmosphere. Just because of this, we use evap system, that is EVAP, that is evaporative vapors, something like that. And in that system we used to store those vapors, and so that it can be used later on. For that we use a specific device named carbon or charcoal canister, and this canister is going to store these this fuel vapors. I'm going to make another video which is completely dedicated to the evap system later on, and you are going to love that video also. So let's talk about this purge control valve. Whenever there is some suction created inside the engine, when this piston goes down, there is some suction created in this intake manifold also, and due to this suction, this vent senses that there is some suction inside this intake manifold, and there is the need of fuel there. So what it does is, it sends these signals to the ECU, and then ECU opens this purge control valve. Inside this purge control valve, there is a solenoid which is red in color, there is a spring which is black in color, there is a valve lid which is going to be fixed on the top side, so that it can block this way. And whenever the signals from the ECU are coming towards this solenoid, it attracts this valve towards itself, and then opening this valve. So this is how this purge control valve is going to work. So when this sends the signal to the ECU, then ECU sends the signal to this solenoid, this valve open, and the vapors which are stored in the carbon canister are coming from this vent, and then after passing through this path, they come out to the intake manifold from this vent, and then enter inside the intake manifold. And when these when these vapors get mixed with the air fuel mixture, it makes the air fuel mixture much richer, and which helps in increasing the performance and efficiency of the vehicle. So in this way, you are saving your fuel, because the fuel which is going to be escaped in the form of vapor, you are using those vapors to run your engine again. So in this way, it is going to be very much helpful for you. But what happens is, when the error code generates, the generation of this error code is because of this mechanism. When the signals are sent to this solenoid, the valve opens, but when the signal is not coming to this solenoid, then there will be no current, and then this valve will go back to its initial position. But sometimes, because as it is a mechanical process, all mechanical process, then this valve doesn't fit directly on this. It might be sometime tilted, or it might be sometime because of some faults. Now when this is not able to fix exactly at its position, then there are chances of generation of this P0441 code or P0446 code, and which turns on your check engine light. So this is the main reason whenever your check engine light comes, because of this purge control valve. So what you can do for this is, if you want to check your purge control valve is okay or not, there are two wires which are coming out of this purge control valve, and these two wires, if you connect these two wires with a 9-volt battery, which is a very small cell or battery, whenever you connect this to that, there must be a click sound, which is the sound of opening of this valve. If the sound is coming, then your valve is working fine in the case of opening. But if it doesn't come, then it shows that your valve is stuck somewhere. And another thing is, like, if you release this signal, Now you should check when there is no signal, is air able to pass from this vent to this vent when there is no signal, because if there is no signal, this valve should be off and the air should not pass from this. The pressurized air should not be able to pass through this. So in that way you can again test it. So basically this is the main reason why this error code generates. Usually you are not able to open this purge control valve, but if you have this option, then you are lucky, you can just open it and just try to fix it. But if not, if you are not able to do this, open this or do something, you need to buy a new purge control valve, which is not that much cheaper, that much costly. You can buy it in just 3500 rupees, and then you can just replace this. So I hope you got to learn something about this purge control valve, and if there is something purge control valve error in your vehicle, then you can just imagine what is the situation inside it. So I hope you got to learn something new. If you like this video, please share this video to your friends. If you are new to the channel or didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe it right now, because I make 2 videos in a week and both of them are core technical videos. So please watch those videos also. Please subscribe to my channel. For more updates, you can click on the bell icon also. If you still have any doubts and any queries, you can please feel free to ask me in comment section below. You can ask me on Instagram, you can ask me on Facebook also, so that we can connect there also. So thanks a lot guys for watching. Keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting guys. Thanks a lot.